Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Hyundai Elantra 2012. Start by warming the engine briefly, then raise and secure the car with jack stands. Place a drain pan under the oil pan, remove the drain plug, and let oil drain fully. Replace the oil filter, reinstall the plug with the correct torque, add 5 quarts of 5W20 oil, and check the level with the dipstick. Begin by loosening the oil filler cap to allow air in, then remove the drain plug with a wrench and let oil flow into the pan. Wear gloves and avoid skin contact with hot oil, and watch for splashes when loosening the plug. Allow the oil to drain until it slows to a drip, which usually takes several minutes, and inspect the drain plug and gasket before reinstalling. Remove the old oil filter and let excess oil drain from it into the pan, then prepare the new filter by coating the rubber gasket with fresh oil. Screw the new filter on until it contacts the base, then tighten it another 3/4 turn by hand. Replace the drain plug with a new crush washer if needed. Add 5 quarts of 5W20 oil, run the engine briefly, and recheck the dipstick level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.